So one question that I have is there diesel in this tank? I can't get it undone. Okay, there is some in there. I don't know how much though. Does this work? Does this turn on? Okay, this does absolutely nothing. Does this work? Actually, I wonder if it's on the switch. Okay, these switches don't work unless the truck is on, looks like. So let's power the truck up. Oh! Okay, so it's on the switch. Interesting. I like that and I hate that. Sometimes it's nice to just be able to just throw the thing on without having to power up the truck, but I guess that's safer too. Now we don't have to lock it up.